Hi there. In this video we're going to show you how to use the TackTracker app for your phone to record your race with TackTracker. So we're assuming that someone else has set up a race for you and you're going in the race and you want to use your phone to track your own boat. So before you go out you need to install the TackTracker app for your phone. Go to either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store depending on the type of phone and search for TackTracker. You'll find it there. When you start the iPhone app, you need to press the Recorder tab to go to this screen. In the Android app, you go straight here. This is the idle screen. To switch it on, you switch the little switch at the top and it'll go to a screen like this if this is the first time you've set up, and you just need to provide some details to get started. So I'm going to put in some details here, my email address tom at abcd.com, and my name is Tom Varty, and I'm going to give myself a username of Tom V. This is public, so just use something you're happy to be public for the username. Next. Track label, so this is what I actually see on the map with my boat, and so I could use a boat name if I wish. Next. Now this is the important page to make sure you answer this question correctly. Is the tracking managed by someone else? So if your race organizer has asked you to delegate tracking to their account, you will click yes here and give the name that they have provided. In this case I'm going to use the name George 2 as that was the name that I've been given, but you will be given a different name, and that means that all the trackers will be managed centrally by this person. So put the name in and click next, and that's it, you've set up. So you're given a tracker ID. Make sure that you tell your race organizer that ID, and that will help them understand whose tracker is who in the system. So before you go, you need to press start. That actually starts the recording. So from now on, when you wish to record a race, you need to make sure that you turn it on, press start, and it started recording. To stop recording, click the off switch at the top. And that's it.